morning, boys and girls. So today's greeting for SEL is a wave, a thumbs up, or an air high five. So good morning, boys and girls. So today we're going to talk about having a positive attitude. So last time we talked about positive self-talk, so now we're going to talk about a positive attitude. Having a positive attitude means focusing on the bright side. Even when things don't go your way, you can have a positive attitude. So even when you're having a bad day, or when something doesn't go your way, or you're upset at your brother or sister or your parents or a friend, you can still be positive. So think about what are some ways you can show a positive attitude. Think about what is one way you can be positive. One way that you can show you have a positive attitude is say, oh, I'll try better next time if you don't do so well on a test. Or maybe smiling when you're angry or when you're upset. Just have a smile or laugh. Laugh it off when you're mad. So having a positive attitude, you need to act out how you can have a positive attitude for each. So how would you act during a tough reading quiz but being positive? So yeah, this is so frustrating, blah, 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 blah. I know this is so hard. You're going to put your head down and maybe stomp your feet or your hands, or you can't do it, but that's not having a positive attitude. So during a reading quiz, you can take deep breaths. You can tell yourself, I can do this. What would you do if a friend you asked to work with would rather work alone? How can you show a positive attitude? Well, you could just say to them, okay, maybe next time, thank you. That's being positive. And the last one was, how can you show you have a positive attitude when you lose a game? So when you lose a game, remember we talked about this, having good sportsmanship. So when Gail Day won the spelling bee and Nate Griffin lost, he was a good sport because he shook her hand, he gave her a hug. So when you lose a game, you can just say, hey, good game, give them a high five, you can shake their hand, you can give them a hug, say something positive. All right, boys and girls, have a good day.